Comparing two highly regarded video creation software tools, Pictory and Invideo, is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If we talk about their introductions, Pictory is a cloud-based video creation platform which harnesses the power of artificial intelligence technology to effortlessly transform extensive text and video content into concise, shareable videos tailored for social media platforms, while Invideo is a dynamic and versatile online video creation platform that empowers users to produce high-quality videos quickly and effortlessly. With a vast library of pre-designed templates, a comprehensive media library, and intuitive editing tools, Invideo makes it possible for individuals and businesses to create captivating videos for marketing, social media, education, and more, without the need for extensive video editing experience. Let's begin with the account creation process. On the Pictory's homepage, click on the free trial button given on the top right corner. It offers user-friendly sign-up procedures, complete with the option to kickstart your journey with a free trial. Navigating through the account creation interface is a breeze on both platforms, ensuring a smooth onboarding experience, or you can simply log in if you already have an account. Same goes for Invideo, where you can publish worthy videos on day one. Simply click on the sign up button given on your top right corner, or from the bottom of the page to sign up for free. After a few easy steps, your account will be created. So let's explore Pictory first, a unique and captivating feature known as scripted video. This innovative function empowers users to input their script, and the software seamlessly generates a video that harmonizes perfectly with the provided text. Pictory goes the extra mile by offering article-to-video conversion, text and visual-based video editing, and AI-driven voiceovers. With Pictory, you have the ability to input an article or URL, and then the platform magically transforms it into a video masterpiece by selecting templates and fine-tuning various elements. For each type, they have mentioned the fields, for which each one is useful, like the script-to-video creation is recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching, and step-by-step guides, while article-to-video is recommended for blogs, press release, and any HTML articles. Similarly, if we talk about input video from various sources, it is useful for adding subtitles automatically, cutting portions of video, creating video highlights, and adding logo, intro, and outro. Lastly, the visuals to video is recommended for creating a slideshow video using existing images and short video clips. It's a remarkably efficient tool that streamlines the video creation process like never before. Turning our attention to Invideo. First, log into your account by adding all the necessary credentials. After that, we need to set our account first by answering a few of their questions. Here, we need to select what defines our role best. Then select Continue to go next. On this page, we need to add our name, and we can also invite our friends to join us. Let's skip this step for now. After that, we need to select where we have heard about Invideo. Just select the relevant option and continue to proceed further. On the next page, you'll be asked about the primary goal in using Invideo to create videos. Select the options that best match your choice and continue. Then you need to tell about the platform where you primarily create video. Invideo asks all these questions to give you best suggestions in video creation. Here in Invideo, we have found that they also provide a text-to-video feature, although it was introduced at a later stage. Here you can choose from several templates, add your text, and effortlessly craft video scenes. While Invideo certainly handles text-to-video conversion commendably, Pictory often emerges as the preferred choice for this particular feature, given its user-friendly interface and intuitive workflow. Moving along, both Pictory and Invideo offer a wide array of templates, robust customization options, versatile voiceover capabilities, and a host of settings to tailor your videos to perfection. However, Pictory tends to excel in delivering a seamless and user-centric experience that resonates with content creators seeking efficiency and creativity. Now go to Pictory. And let's start proceeding with a script to video to see how it works practically. Click on the Proceed button and you'll be taken to this blank page. You can start typing here or paste your script by using Ctrl+V. Pictory will convert your script into a video. If you have decided about the topic and don't have the whole script, you can search about the specific topic online from your web browser, or ChatGPT can also help in this regard. Just copy the whole script and paste it on the Pictory's page. Once you have the whole script, go ahead and search for the video. After that, you'll be asked to select a template. A template is a combination of styles and branding, and it can be easily edited under the respective tabs in the storyboard. Select a template from the template library, or you can create your own from My Templates. After selecting template ratio, you'll need to wait while the video storyboard is being created. As you can see, your video is ready according to the script you have provided. Each scene has a different explanation along with the background image associated with the topic we have added. Here you can go along with changing voiceover, trimming video, and changing settings. Also, we can edit story, visuals, audio, text, elements, styles, branding, and portrait, which you can choose as a landscape, portrait, or square. Once you're done adjusting all these settings, click on the download button to download your video and use it wherever you want. Also, you can preview it before downloading to see how it looks. Now, let's move towards the Invideo. Here you can also create a smooth video by selecting any of the given options on this home page. Now go back to the Pictory's page and let's try making a visual video. It is very easy to operate as well. You just need to drag and drop files from your system or browse them. After selecting the file, all you need to do is click on the Proceed button. This is how it works. Now, let's move to the Invideo, where we can create videos by using templates, AI text to video, stock media, and editor. Invideo provides a variety of templates for different types of videos, such as promotional videos, social media ads, tutorials, and more. Browse through the templates or use the search bar to find a template that suits your needs. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the video editor. Here you can customize the template to match your specific content and branding. First, you need to select the frame size. After that, you need to add your script. It also offers to ask AI to write your script, or you can simply add it from the browser. Once you have added a script, the video will be generated according to it. Next, you can access common customization options. Update text with your own content, such as titles, subtitles, and captions. Replace placeholder images and videos with your own media. Add background music or voiceovers. Adjust the transitions between scenes and apply effects as needed. Change colors and fonts to match your brand. Invideo templates are often divided into scenes. You can edit, rearrange, or delete scenes as needed. Click on a scene to make changes to it. Use the preview button to see how your video looks. Make sure everything is in order and that the video flows smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your video, click the Export or Finish button. Choose the export settings such as video resolution and format. Invideo will process your video, and when it's ready, you'll be able to download it to your computer. After downloading, you can share your video on social media, YouTube, or any other platform you prefer. Remember to save your work periodically as you make changes to your video. Invideo also offers tutorials and help resources if you need assistance with specific features or functions. If you want to have your own video, click on this Create New button from the top right corner and then go to the editor. Select a dimension to continue. Here, drop your images and videos or browse from your system. The video will be generated according to the uploaded content. Now, let's touch upon the pricing aspect. Pictory's pricing plan kicks off at a competitive $19 per user per month for annual billing. This entry-level plan grants you the power to create up to 30 videos, edit videos of impressive length up to 1 hour, and tap into an extensive music library to elevate your video's appeal. As for Invideo, they provide a free version, ideal for those who wish to explore video editing casually. This free trial includes features such as automated text-to-speech and the capability to craft videos up to 40 minutes in duration. For users with more professional and advanced video editing needs, Pictory offers its premium plan starting at $39 per month. This premium offering provides enhanced features and the capacity to create 60 videos. On the other hand, Invideo presents its business plan, priced at $30 per month for annual billing. With this plan, users can enjoy benefits such as 60 HD video exports, access to the extensive iStock media library, and the removal of watermarks from their videos. In summary, the choice between Pictory versus Invideo ultimately hinges on your specific video editing requirements and budget constraints. If you're in search of professional-grade text-to-video features and top-tier video customization, Pictory emerges as a strong contender. Conversely, if you're merely dipping your toes into the world of video editing for personal use, Invideo's free version offers an appealing and cost-effective entry point. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.